What is going on, my friends? Hank here from SpruesNBrews Scale Modeling with a quick channel update for you guys. It's a busy time of year, crazy time of year in the summer. I'm sure you guys are doing all sorts of fun stuff right now, hopefully getting out of the house, doing a little traveling, a little vacation, whatever it may be. And you might not have as much bench time as you usually do. And I know that is the case for me. Doing a lot of traveling over the next couple of weeks here, so I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up of my schedule, just so you know what's going on in my world. I'm not going anywhere. Well, I'm not going anywhere from YouTube, don't worry. The videos will come back, but just a little heads up. Starting tomorrow, bright and early, Mrs. Brews and I are going to be getting on a flight to Portland, Oregon for a few days. Never been out there, really excited to check out the city. Sounds like a beautiful spot. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know down in the comments below of good spots to check out. Maybe get a nice cold beer somewhere. Should be fun. And then when we get back, a few weeks later, at the end of the month, we're going to be heading to the ancestral homeland. We're going over to Ireland for about a week. Super, super excited about that. I've never been to Ireland either. Going to be flying into Dublin, putting down south, and popping around some pubs for a little while over there. So again, any recommendations, gladly welcomed. And then right when we get home, to add to all the chaos, Mrs. Brews and I are going to be adding a new member to the SpruesNBrews family here. No, it's not a baby. Not this time, at least. We're going to be getting a little pup, a little brew dog. He's going to be somewhere in this little pile here. And when he's big enough in August, we'll be picking him up and bringing him home and getting him situated in the studio here. So that should be fun. But all that just to say, got a little bit of craziness going on. The videos will be coming. We're going to get back to work on the albacore as soon as I can. Hopefully next week when we get back from Portland. Do a little bit of more work on the A34 Comet that I can see in the case over there. And whatever else you guys want to see. Obviously, we've got lots of good stuff to work on. So if you have any requests or things you'd like to see coming up in the future here, the next few months, please holler down in the comments below. Always curious to hear what you guys are hoping to see. So all this just to say, the videos are still coming, but if you see a little hiccup in the weekly release schedule, that is why. Got all sorts of fun stuff going on this summer. And you know what? It's important sometimes to get away from the bench and get a little sunlight, get outside, hang out, do some fun stuff. So I'm not going anywhere. SpruesNBrews Scale Modeling, the channel, not going anywhere. Just taking a little bit of summer fun and some opportunities to get outside, do some cool stuff. So I appreciate your support, appreciate your patience. We'll get back to work as soon as we can. And until next time, my friends, be well, happy building. Cheers.